everybody, welcome to another video on career solutions by Aashna Jain. In today's video, we are going to be discussing that whether there is a difference in working with the lawyer's chamber as against working with the dispute resolution team of a law firm. Now, before we get into the video, I would request you all to please subscribe to this channel. It would mean the world to me and it will give me the motivation to create such informative videos for you in future as well. With that said, let's get started into the video. In this video, I'm going to be majorly discussing 5 points. The first point is that when you join a law chamber or somebody's chamber, the idea is that it is expected out of you that you're going to sever from the chamber at certain point in time and start your own practice. That requires a lot of effort, resources, and a lot of courage to do that as well. So not a lot of first generation lawyers would be very comfortable doing that. As against when you join the dispute resolution team of a law firm, there is no such expectation out of you. You can continue to work with the law firm and with the dispute resolution team of that law firm for all times to come. The second point is definitely stability of income. At a lot of junctures, I have seen that many advocates do not pay or are not comfortable paying their associates a regular monthly salary. They are usually paid according to the work that is being put up by them, according to the number of cases that is being handled by them, or very specific responsibilities of drafting or assisting them in court. And they are paid according to that proportionally. And even if when they are paid a regular monthly salary, it's very minimal and it's not something to take care of everyone's monthly needs. However, as against a law firm, usually the practice is that there is stability of income and you always get a proper monthly salary as per the tier of the law firm. Third point is about accountability and systems within an organization. As of what my experience tells, that whenever I have worked or interned at a legal chamber, the work can flow from all directions. Sometimes when the work is very urgent, even the office clerk can give you the work. Sometimes when the work is not really urgent or you're working on a big matter, you can directly work in tandem with the boss. At other times, the work has been delegated to you by somebody at your level itself, so or by somebody even junior to you who was earlier working on the same matter, right? So in all of these instances, I feel that the sense of accountability gets compromised and there is no established system in place. However, as and when you see the processes of a law firm, you would realize that that work always flows from the senior most member to the junior most member. There are proper systems of accountability and how is that accountability managed? Through the billable hours or the timesheets that are maintained by the associates. So at each level of hierarchy, whether it's a senior associate, principal associate, partner, junior associate, or even an intern, there is an established sense of accountability that this person was supposed to accomplish this kind of work, and that can be verified or rectified through the timesheets that they've filled in. Now, moving ahead to the fourth point, and I feel that it's a very important point, that the learning curve, in my opinion, is very drastic or like very high in a chamber as compared to a law firm. Why? Because in a chamber, usually not all matters would be high stake matters for medium sized lawyers or like somebody who's just stepped into the practice. So they would want to give their associates also the chance to, handle matters at an advanced level. So in a chamber, associates get to do everything starting from client handling to drafting to filing to arguing in the court and then even looking after the post argumentation proceedings, right? However, in a law firm, usually the associates are restricted to work related to research and drafting and at max briefing the senior counsel or assisting them in any proceedings that are going on in the court. Very rarely do they get a chance to do client handling, filing, or proper arguments in the court, right? Now, lastly, I feel that, and this is also again an important point in considering where you want to join or not, I feel that in a chamber, there's an open door policy because there are no strict hierarchies. The access to the lawyer is very much, and you can go and talk to them. You can seek informal mentorship from them. However, as against the law firm, I feel that in a law firm, the senior or the partner is not very accessible, and thereby the law firm structure lacks a sense of informal mentorship within the employees. So with that said, we've reached the end of today's video. I hope that helped you in some manner. And if it did, please consider subscribing and liking to the video. I would love to know your thoughts in the comments. If you're looking for any personal mentorship or career coaching or interview coaching sessions, I've placed all the details in the description box below. I hope to see you next week. Thank you.